and welcome to Jack Frost Garden Talks. Today under the pergola, we're going to be talking about hydrangeas. We're going to be discussing three different hydrangeas in particular: the lace cap, the mop head, and the panicle hydrangea. First on our list is the lace head hydrangea. We have today the pop star hydrangea, which is a compact version. It grows only 3 feet tall and 3 feet wide, and it blooms from top to bottom all summer long. The great thing about these lace cap hydrangeas is it adds an interesting texture to your landscape. So at the very top, you have these very tiny flowers, and then around the edges, you have larger flowers. All in all, this plant is irresistible to bees and butterflies. It's hardy in zones 4 through 9 and loves morning sun and afternoon shade. Whether it be in a container, along a garden border, or as a specimen plant in your landscape, this hydrangea is sure to bring color to your landscape. This is our mop head hydrangea, and this one is really interesting because it produces pink florets with bright yellow centers. It's also a compact version, only growing 3 feet tall and 3 feet wide. Mop head hydrangeas are also very resistant to deer and other pests. Now, depending on your soil's pH, the flowers can either be pink or light blue. If you want blue flowers, you want your soil to be less than 7.0 pH. If you want pink flowers, you'd like your soil to be higher than 7.0 pH. Again, this one being a compact version, it's great for any type of landscape. You can put it in your garden, you can put it in a container, or you can have it as a specimen plant. It grows very well. This one is called Little Hottie. Now, panicle hydrangeas usually grow huge. This one only grows 3 to 5 feet tall and wide. And with this panicle hydrangea, these white flowers stand up to the hot summer sun without browning or burning. And as the season goes on, the flowers turn from white to a light pink. Now, being that this grows 3 to 5 feet tall, you can cut it down to the ground in the late winter or early spring. If you want a taller plant, you can cut it at 1 to 3 feet. And the greatest thing about these is, again, their compact version. You can put them anywhere, in a container or in your landscape. And they're essentially a smaller version of what we have here. These are limelight panicle hydrangeas. This is the traditional size of what you would see. The only difference with this is, this has been made into a topiary tree. Isn't that neat? Thank you for joining us today. We appreciate you coming by.